Breath, The New Science of a Lost Art by James Nestor. Key takeaways. Number 1. The power of nasal breathing. Unlock better health and performance. Nasal breathing alone can boost nitric oxide six-fold, which is one of the reasons we can absorb about 18% more oxygen than by just breathing through the mouth. Nasal breathing is superior. Our noses are designed to filter, warm, and humidify the air we breathe, making it easier for our lungs to absorb oxygen. This natural process also produces nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including increasing circulation, delivering oxygen to cells, regulating immune function, influencing weight, mood, and sexual function. Mouth breathing, on the other hand, is detrimental. It can lead to a host of problems, including increased risk of respiratory infections, snoring and sleep apnea, facial structure deformities, reduced cognitive function. To harness the power of nasal breathing, practice consciously breathing through your nose throughout the day, and consider using sleep tape at night to ensure nasal breathing during sleep. Number 2. Breathe less, live more. The surprising benefits of controlled breathing. The perfect breath is this. Breathe in for about 5.5 seconds, then exhale for 5.5 seconds. That's 5.5 breaths a minute for a total of about 5.5 liters of air. Less is more when it comes to breathing. Many of us overbreathe, taking in more air than our bodies need. This can lead to a state of chronic hyperventilation, which paradoxically reduces oxygen delivery to our tissues. The key is to breathe less, but more efficiently. Benefits of controlled, slower breathing: increased oxygen absorption, improved CO2 levels in the blood, enhanced cardiovascular health, reduced stress and anxiety. To practice controlled breathing, aim for the perfect breath of 5.5 breaths per minute. This can be achieved through various techniques, such as box breathing or resonant breathing. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Number 3. The lost art of proper exhalation, unleashing your body's hidden potential. The key to breathing, lung expansion, and the long life that came with it was on the other end of respiration. It was in the transformative power of a full exhalation. Exhalation is crucial. While most people focus on inhalation, the real magic happens when we fully exhale. A complete exhalation engages the diaphragm more fully, removes stale air from the lungs, allows for a more effective inhalation. Carl Stowe, a choir conductor turned pulmonaut, discovered the power of exhalation in treating patients with emphysema and other respiratory diseases. His techniques, which focused on extending the exhale, led to remarkable improvements in lung function and overall health. To practice proper exhalation: 1. Inhale normally. 2. Exhale slowly and completely, engaging your abdominal muscles. 3. Pause briefly at the end of the exhale before inhaling again. Incorporate this technique into your daily breathing practice to improve respiratory function and overall well-being. Number 4. Chewing your way to better breathing and facial structure. Chewing. The more we gnaw, the more stem cells release, the more bone density and growth will trigger, the younger we'll look, and the better we'll breathe. Chewing shapes our faces. The modern diet of soft, processed foods has led to underdeveloped jaws and facial structures, contributing to breathing problems and dental issues. Our ancestors, who chewed tough, fibrous foods, had wider faces, stronger jaws, and better breathing capacity. Benefits of increased chewing: stimulates bone growth in the face, expands the sinuses and airways, promotes proper tooth alignment, enhances overall facial structure. To incorporate more chewing into your life, eat tougher, more fibrous foods. Chew each bite thoroughly, aim for 30-50 chews per bite. Consider using specially designed chewing devices or gum. By focusing on proper chewing, we can help reverse some of the negative effects of our modern diet, on our facial structure and breathing capacity. Number 5. Harnessing stress, tummo breathing, and the autonomic nervous system. Breathing fast, slow, or not at all can't make an embolism go away. Breathing through the nose with a big exhale can't reverse the onset of neuromuscular genetic diseases. No breathing can heal stage 4 cancer. Controlled stress can be beneficial. Tummo breathing, an ancient Tibetan technique, involves periods of rapid breathing followed by breath holds. This practice creates a controlled stress response in the body, which can lead to numerous health benefits: increased immune function, enhanced stress resilience, improved cardiovascular health, potential relief from autoimmune symptoms. The Wim Hof method, a modern adaptation of tummo, has gained popularity for its reported health benefits. However, it's important to note that while breathing techniques can be powerful tools for health and well-being, they are not a cure-all for serious medical conditions. To practice a simplified version of tummo breathing: 1. Perform 30 to 40 rapid breaths. 2. Exhale fully and hold your breath for as long as comfortable. 3. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. 4. Repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. Always practice under proper guidance and consult a healthcare professional before starting any new breathing regimen. Number 6. The breath hold revolution, retraining your body's CO2 tolerance. Breath holding hacks, or as Feinstein would call them, carbon dioxide therapies, have been around for thousands of years. CO2 tolerance is key. Our body's response to carbon dioxide levels plays a crucial role in our breathing patterns and overall health. By increasing our tolerance to CO2, we can improve our breathing efficiency and potentially alleviate symptoms of anxiety and panic disorders. Benefits of increased CO2 tolerance: reduced anxiety and panic symptoms, improved breath-holding capacity, enhanced athletic performance, better overall breathing efficiency. To increase your CO2 tolerance: 1. Practice breath-holding exercises, gradually increasing duration. 2. Incorporate nasal breathing during exercise. 3. Try techniques like the Buteyko method, which focuses on reduced breathing. Remember that these techniques should be practiced safely and under proper guidance. Never push yourself to the point of discomfort or distress. Number 7. Ancient wisdom, modern science, rediscovering the transformative power of breath. The magic of the nose and its healing powers wasn't lost on the ancients. Breathing is a timeless practice. Throughout history, various cultures have recognized the power of breath in maintaining health and achieving altered states of consciousness. Modern science is now catching up, providing evidence for many ancient breathing techniques. Key ancient breathing practices with modern validation: pranayama, yogic breathing, shown to reduce stress and improve cardiovascular health. Tummo, Tibetan inner fire meditation, demonstrates potential for immune system modulation. Coherent breathing, proven to balance the autonomic nervous system. As we continue to study the science of breathing, we're uncovering the profound wisdom of our ancestors. By integrating these time-tested techniques with modern scientific understanding, we can harness the full potential of our breath to improve our health, performance, and overall well-being. To explore the transformative power of breath: 1. Start with simple techniques like nasal breathing and the perfect breath. 2. Gradually incorporate more advanced practices under proper guidance. 3. Stay informed about the latest scientific research on breathing techniques. Remember, breathing is a powerful tool that's always available to us. By consciously harnessing its potential, we can dramatically improve our lives.